Hey y'all, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to share with you two of our brand new products this season with 31, our utility pocket insert and our soft cooler insert. Both of these products are going to pair with our large utility tote. So welcome, my name's Andrea Carver. So thankful that you are here watching today. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. Okay, so you all know that our large utility tote is our #1 selling product. We've had it since 2009 and we have sold over 16 million large utility totes. It's so versatile. You can use them for groceries, you can use them for packing, you can use them for in your closet to store things, toys, literally you name it, you can use our large utility tote. And if you have one, you probably figured out that you need another one, right? They're so handy. When you do not have the insert in here, they're collapsible, so they can just fold up when you're not using them. They have that wire rim around the top, which keeps it open for you, okay? But sometimes we need a little bit more structure to our large utility tote. So this season, something new, we have, this is called the utility pocket insert. So you can see that it's an insert. It's a U-shaped, can you see that? It's a U-shaped insert that fits inside your large utility tote, giving you structure, helping your large utility tote to stand up tall, and giving you some organization. You'll see 6 pockets there on the inside. The ones in the middle are a little bit of a larger pocket. Now this utility insert actually fits down inside your large utility tote and it snaps in through these grommets here. So you can take it out if you do not need it. So I think that's really handy. So we're going to take it out here and I'm going to show you another option that you have this season with your large utility tote. And I did forget to mention that this large utility tote is in our gray varsity stripe print. We also have a black varsity stripe print. I love some of the solid prints because it makes personalization really stand out. And I would definitely personalize this for sure. Okay, so another option that we have on our large utility tote this season is this is called the soft utility or soft cooler insert. So oh look, it's got these same little things. This is how it's going to snap inside, but it's got handles right here if you need to grab this up really quickly, and it does have that zipper closure on the top. And I'll just show you this before I put it in there. But this has our leak lock lining in here, which means you can use this thermal and put ice directly in here and it's not going to leak out. So making this perfect for those tailgating days or Saturday stadium days. Really, if you're grocery shopping, I think these are really, really handy. You could fit quite a bit in here. I did a picture at the swimming pool and I had 12 16.9 ounce water bottles in here. 12 of them fit in here. So what this, and you can actually fit 2 of these soft cooler inserts inside your large utility tote, but it snaps in when you put it here in the middle. So you put it here in the middle and then you just snap these little straps through the grommets here. So here's one side and here is the other, and you just button them closed just like this. I'm not going to do the other side, but you can see that it fits very nicely in there. You've got room on this side and this side to store, dry goods, and then thermal things, cold things or hot things on the inside there. So, and like I said, you can fit 2 of these in here as well. Just scoot it over to the side and put another one in there. So I love that. So those are just some ways to help make your large utility tote work better for you, whether you need that insert with that thermal insert, whether you need the thermal insert or that utility pocket insert, or even both, to make it really work for you and have those solutions that match and look good together. So y'all know about our customer special. I call it our 50/50 special. Spend 50, get a 50% off item of your choice. Now, I always want to get you the best deal, right? When you are a customer. So grab your large utility tote, and then you can add personalization on here. So I would definitely recommend one of our icons. That would get you to the $50 level. And then the next item that you add to your cart is going to be half price. So you could choose to grab the cooler insert, the soft cooler insert, and get that at half price, or that utility pocket insert that I showed you at the beginning and get that as your half price item. But I think both are so great. I actually have used both about the same amount of times. I really love them. So you can figure out what works best for you. Or you could grab your large utility tote, grab your pocket insert, and then the soft cooler would be your half price item. You can work your own deal. I think that's really great. So let me know in the comments what you would pair your large utility tote with. Would you grab the utility pocket insert or the soft cooler insert? Let me know. I'm very curious to see, or maybe both. But again, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link everything below so you can find it easily on my website. And if you're interested in the business opportunity, I'd love to chat with you and see if 31 might be a fit for you. I can answer any questions that you have. I'll also link below my website to where you can go and click Be a Consultant and kind of read a little bit more. I'd love to be your sponsor if you are not working with another 31 consultant of your own. If you're interested in hosting, let's get this set for you for free. I can create a shopping link for you. You can share that shopping link with your friends and your family, and then you earn your wish list for free or for half price. And then thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. Okay, see y'all soon.